What is an orgasm? Orgasm can be defined as the peak or climax of sexual excitement. The following steps will help to build up the excitement that results in orgasm. 1. Look nice, smell nice, and be clean. Stop carrying dirty pants around. Learn to understand that vagina hairs need to be shaved or trimmed. It's so annoying that some ladies smell badly inside there, which comes as a distraction. Take note that every man is attracted by what he sees. 2. Choose a nice and comfortable place to have undistracted sex. A hotel, your living room, bathroom, bedroom, or even the floor will do. 3. Adjust the room light to suit you. Foreplay should begin with spontaneous, endearing conversation, accompanied by loving pats, hugs, and kisses. Sir, foreplay is a must. Women are moved by touch. They like to be touched in the right way and not mauled. And sweet nothings mean a lot, unlike men who are moved by what they see. Therefore, don't rush your woman as if you are running to get to another appointment somewhere. Number 5. Learn to undress each other. A woman finds it pleasurable when her husband gently undresses her, just like a man gets excited when his wife says, "My king, I want you to make love to me now." 6. Husband, gently rub your wife's clitoris with your tongue or finger. Engage in kissing her lips and caressing her thighs, buttocks, clitoris, labia, and other parts of her body until she is sexually excited. The increase in vaginal lubrication will be the indication that she is almost at the climax. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.